All right, everybody, welcome back. I am pumped for today's deep dive. We're going deep on Industry 4.0.
Yeah, this is exciting stuff, really is.
We've got robots, we've got AI, smart factories. It really feels like we're stepping into the future of manufacturing.
Absolutely, you hit the nail on the head. And we're seeing this transformation happen right before our eyes.
So let's just jump right in. For someone in manufacturing, what is Industry 4.0 really all about?
So it's more than just a buzzword. It's really a paradigm shift in how we approach manufacturing. We're moving from a world of, isolated machines to a fully interconnected and intelligent ecosystem.
Ecosystem. Okay, so we're not just talking about swapping out a few old machines for some fancy new robots, right?
Right, it's a much more holistic approach. It's a journey and not a destination.
But where do we even start? What are the core components of this whole Industry 4.0 thing?
Well, you have to start with the foundation, and that's robotics and automation.
Okay, robots. Everybody loves robots. But I think people hear robots in manufacturing and they think, big clunky arms welding car parts.
Right, and it's so much more than that now.
Yep.
Think advanced robotic machine tending. Robots that can handle incredibly complex tasks, adapt to changes in the production process, real-time decision-making.
So these robots, they're not just replacing human workers, they're collaborating with them.
Exactly. It's all about creating a seamless workflow, human and machine working together for maximum efficiency.
That makes sense.
And productivity.
Okay, so robots are definitely cool,
Mm-hmm.
but they're just one piece of the puzzle, right?
Absolutely. You need a way to connect all these robots, machines, and systems. And that's where industrial internet connectivity comes in.
All right, so we're talking about the Internet of Things, but for factories.
Precisely.
So instead of having all these separate silos of information, you have this free flow of data throughout the entire factory.
Exactly. It's like giving the factory a central nervous system.
Okay, I'm getting the picture. So we've got the robots, we've got them all connected. What's next?
Well, that's where things get really interesting. We're talking about autonomous process control.
Okay, break that down for me.
Imagine software that's constantly analyzing all the data coming in from the factory floor, learning from it, and making adjustments in real time to optimize the entire production process.
And with all this automation and data analysis, we're talking about some pretty serious efficiency gains, right?
Absolutely. Think Six Sigma levels of quality, lights out production, the kind of efficiency that was once unimaginable.
Wow, it sounds like Industry 4.0 is really pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing.
It is. And the best part is, it's just the beginning. As AI and machine learning continue to advance, we can only imagine what the future holds.
It's an exciting time to be in manufacturing. I feel like we've only just scratched the surface of what's possible with Industry 4.0.
I agree. It's a journey, and it's one that I'm excited to be a part of.
Well, if our listeners are ready to start their own Industry 4.0 journey, where should they go?
I'd recommend checking out the white paper called Using Robotics and Automated Inspection in Manufacturing to Achieve Autonomous Process Control. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to learn more about the practical applications of these technologies.
Sounds like a great resource.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for taking us on this deep dive into Industry 4.0. It's been an eye-opener for sure.
My pleasure.
Until next time, keep innovating.
Absolutely.